seatbelt sign is illuminated. When the captain turns that sign off, there will be an indication to safety up and about the cabin. For your comfort and convenience, there are 4 lavatories located on stage aircraft. 2 are located in the rear of the aircraft, 1 in the mid, and 1 forward of the door in which you enter. We kindly ask that you utilize the lavatories designated for the cabin in which you are seated. We'd also ask that you do not congregate in the aisle areas around the lavatories or the galleys. When it's safe to do so, our flight attendants will pass through a main cabin with a complimentary beverage service. For a complete list of beverages available on today's flight, as well as a wide variety of wines, craft beers, and hard seltzers available for purchase, please see the menu in your Hemispheres magazine. On this evening's flight, folks will also have the option of purchasing a variety of items from our snack shop on board, as well as food items from our dinner menu. Here at United, we have completely contactless all forms of payments. In order to make purchases on this evening's flight, you need to have a credit card stored under today's reservation or Mileage Plus account, or have access to PayPal's QR code payments. You can find more information on how to make these payments in the Hemispheres magazine. Our preferred method of making payment, folks, is the United Mileage Plus Explorer Visa card. If you're not already a card-carrying member, enjoy the many perks and benefits that this card can provide you while traveling with United. Ask the flight attendant for more information on how you can earn 65,000 bonus miles by signing up on today's flight. At this time, the use of your larger electronics is now permitted. We'd like to sit back, relax, recline your seat, open your window, and enjoy the fireworks show on the left and right-hand side of the aircraft. We'll be in Las Vegas